This video will review how to use the line busting functionality within RapidGO. To begin, we will tap on the line busting menu option. Immediately, we're prompted to select a station. My store only has one station. If yours has multiple, they will be listed as selectable options. After you select a station, you can then begin scanning in items or manually looking them up. I will attach an item to this line busting document now. Notice that the hold number at the top is set to auto-assign. Below that, the reference field, we could type in the customer name or description of the customer. Below the reference field is the customer area. Currently, it will be set to walk-in customer or cash customer. We could tap on that field and change it. You could either use walk-in or manually look up a customer. The Auto Create slider should always be toggled on. By default, it is toggled on. In a later release, this option will be removed. The Prompt for Quantity slider works as it does in all of the other modules, meaning when it's enabled and you enter in an item, you will see this field. You could use the plus or the minus, or you could drill directly into the field to enter in your quantity. If you made a mistake and need to change the station that this line busting document will be sent to, tap on the cogwheels in the upper right-hand corner. And tap on the Change Station option. Again, I only have one in this example. Back to the cogwheels, we can see an option to change line busting type. Currently, this is set to a hold ticket, so you can recall it at a station. Alternatively, you could change this to order. We're going to leave this as a hold ticket. When you're done scanning in all the items, you will want to use the information just above the Done button to review this document. Once complete, you can hit the Done button. Take note of that document number, as that is what you are going to want to look up and recall when you are recalling this ticket at the station.